In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check if an item is available on Target or not. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, here you're going to find this search box. Type in the product name you are looking for and search for it. You can simply type in the product name, brand, or a keyword. Once you find the item, tap on it to open the product details page. Here you will see the current availability for that item. If you have selected a preferred Target store, the page will show whether the item is in stock, limited stock, or out of stock at that location. You'll also see the fulfillment options available for the item, such as pickup, drive up, shipping, or same day delivery, depending on your location and the product. If an item is not available at your selected store, you can change to nearby Target location to check availability there. Keep in mind that inventory changes throughout the day as customers make purchases, so availability may change before you complete your order. If you're looking for a popular item, it's a good idea to place your order as soon as it's available. And that's it. This is how you can easily check whether an item is available on Target before placing your order. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.